Despite disengagement at Pangong Tso, here's proof that China simply cannot be trusted. We've accessed high time resolution images. These are satellite images which shows that China is continuing to build up, particularly in Depsang. Those pictures that you see here on your screens is the latest imagery which shows additional structures, additional camps, vehicles and also fencing near PLA's Tianwandian post, which lies about 24 kilometers opposite India's highest airstrip, that's the Daulat Beg Oldi in Ladakh. Indian and Chinese troops have in fact implemented stepwise disengagement in eastern Ladakh's Galwan as well as Pangong Tso area, ensuring that the long standoff between the two forces slowly de-escalates. However, what's clear is that in some parts the situation is still very tense. For example, in the Depsang region of Ladakh, which is in fact something that there are discussions on right now between both sides. The latest high-resolution imagery has been captured on the night of 25th February by the SAR commercial satellites of US-based space firm Capella Space. So those images are on your screens there from February 25th shows the kind of build-up at Depsang. There has been discussion even in the last round of Corps Commander level talks that we saw. There was a mention about Depsang as well. But this perhaps will be the biggest challenge as far as ending the standoff between India and China are concerned. The situation at Depsang, where you see that the Chinese troops are only building up the infrastructure at that point. Geeta Mohan is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, we have been seeing several breakthroughs as far as the situation at LAC is concerned. We even saw the statement between Mr. S. Jaishankar and Wang Yi, his Chinese counterpart, their conversation about what's happening at the LAC. But this current build-up at Depsang is a point that is of concern for India.
Well, absolutely. Like I said, and Akshita, when we were talking earlier as well, the fact that China and India have come out with an agreement to disengage at a certain point does not mean that it is de-escalation at all other friction points. China making it very clear, also given the kind of news reports that we've seen with regards to the kind of hacking that comes in from China and threatens India's key installations and power grids is of concern, and the way and the manner in which we're seeing various countries come together to really look into what China has been doing. China always responds to such reporting or such news with what happens at the border, and in this situation, Akshita, we are seeing a build-up in Depsang, which certainly is going to be a huge concern. External Affairs Minister just a few days ago, during an interaction in a think tank seminar, had said that disengagement is good news, but we have to look at de-escalation at various friction points. Depsang certainly has been an area of concern for India and China and continues to remain one. Unless and until China walks the talk on those areas, there is no forward movement on the kind of de-escalation that is expected from India when it comes to China and the Chinese build-up.
How will India be really looking at this, Geeta? Because as you rightly pointed out, while we're seeing disengagement at Pangong, it's not necessarily translated to de-escalation at all points. For example, in Depsang, that perhaps is the biggest bone of contention. That's going to take several rounds of talks for any sort of disengagement. So the fact that China is building up infrastructure there, how is India viewing that?
Well, a very key and an important question over here, because like you said, this is a very important area, an important a key area and friction point when it comes to India and China. We've seen the kind of growing tensions in the recent past in the Pangong area and in Galwan, but some of those aspects have been pretty new, pretty recent, and is the reason why disengagement on that front was a more easier. Nothing is easy with China, Akshita, but easier than the earlier points where India and China have always had problems. Depsang is a very important, critical area for India China has always been very worried about the infrastructure on the Indian side. They've in fact raised it at various levels with the Indian side. Every time there is a conversation, bilateral conversation between the two sides with regards to the entire area being disputed, and therefore the infrastructure that is being built by India is something that concerns China. India is very clear that for India to protect these territories, these areas, the roads that need to be built have started being built, and in many areas are near complete or absolutely complete, and that certainly has been an area of concern for China. The protests of China now really culminating into, first translating, now culminating into major aggression on the other side by troop and infrastructure build-up.
So the message is very clear. Disengagement at Pangong, disengagement at one point doesn't translate to de-escalation across the LAC. Geeta, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.